That's not, there's no... Whoa! What is everyone doing? Dude! Jesus Christ.
Buenos días. Vengo de parte del coronel Frank. Me dijo que usted me tenía que dar un papel. Sí. Y me dijo, pero fíjate que fue fresca la vieja petilla pinga ese, Daniel, me dijo.
Puta vieja, verga, casi le pasa.
That one, it has tweeters right here where the mirrors are at. Are you going to put your car and drive? Please.
What the are you doing? God,
What the fuck are you
what are
doing?
you doing?
I'll take any Benadryl when I sickness the boy. Dude, that's not it. Are you retarded?
Current loop video is now up.
Go. No, it wasn't your fault. So when I sickness the boy. Dude, that's not it. Are you retarded?
Current loop video is now up.
Go. No, it wasn't your fault.
No.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, damn. Goddamn.
In the wild pursuit of God. And yeah, I'm not quite where I could be, but I'm not where I was. So should I?
What in the world?
This was almost perfectly designed to frustrate the vulnerability of railways regional governments. It's kind of not brain surgery, but it's particularly complicated because you've got two different surgeons.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.